A dashboard without data is just a pretty picture. Let's build the brain of our budget. We'll connect our entry list below to the summary on top so everything updates automatically. First, the input. I'm using drop-down chips in the transaction area. I'll simply use the list of categories from the dashboard as a source. This ensures 100% accuracy. No typos mean no broken formulas. Now, the magic link. In cell B3, use the SUMIF function to scan the entries below. To keep our professional design, use Paste Special. Formulas only, so we don't break the striped formatting. Now your entire dashboard is a living, breathing tool. Pro tip: don't scroll to the bottom. Just insert a new row at the top and hit Ctrl plus semicolon to insert the date instantly. Watch the progress bar react in real time. This is pure data logic. Start your year with a system that works. Subscribe to Master Google Sheets Magic in 2026.